So finally guys, we are in the third lab of this module basically. So make sure to complete the first, second module, then only move to the third one. Now this is also a very easy module. You have to come to the challenge section and then here simply click on the launch option. Now here just come to this part. Okay, you can read it if you want, and let's cover it step by step. Now once it is open, you have to click on this agent force icon and then update the agent like this. Once updated, come over here and copy the prompt, paste over here, hit enter. Now here make sure to stay connected and your internet does not disconnect also. Apart from this, if you are new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now click on the case ID. So finally the case ID page has been opened. Now here we have to assign the case also. So for that, wait for a few minutes and then come over here. You can see the case is created. Now come over here and just you can see we have to assign it to the coding. So just click on this and come over here, paste it, hit enter. So finally it is successfully assigned. If you are getting error, just repeat the step from 1. Now here you can see if you are getting any kind of prompt option, then you have to just type yes and then you have to just proceed with that step. So now just come to the third one, hit enter. Now here the priority will be updated. Okay, I repeat, if you are getting this kind of error in any one, you can just type yes and then just assign like this. Okay, now this thing is done. Now we have to simply check the points. So here what you can write is that if we come over here and you can see this is the priority. If you want, you can just copy it and paste over here if you are not getting the score. So we have got the score, so we are just leaving it. Now we have to complete the last module. So just stay tuned and complete it in the next video.